Welcome to Cancun. The tropical weather, gorgeous beaches, and amazing resorts make this Mexican beachfront town a magical destination. Royalton Riviera Cancun is a modern resort catered to families, couples, and friends who want the most a vacation can possibly offer, all in luxury. All in luxury is the best all-inclusive experience available. From the moment you check into this beautiful resort, you'll know you're in for the trip of a lifetime. The Royalton Riviera Cancun is one of the most uniquely designed resorts in the world, with modern outdoor pools in a lush tropical setting and stunning architecture throughout. The luxurious accommodations are made to give you the most relaxing sleep you'll ever enjoy. Each room includes a premium handcrafted dream bed designed exclusively for Royalton Luxury Resorts. Rooms here feature an in-suite terrace jetted tub, a swim-out pool, or a private balcony with breathtaking views of the ocean. The entire resort has been created with luxury and elegance in mind, from the wedding gazebo to the many pools and beachside Bali beds and hammocks. The splash park features water slides, spray grounds, and crystal clear pools amidst tropical gardens. It's summer fun for kids and adults alike. Or relax in any of our 10 other pools placed throughout the resort. Stay energized with a workout in the gym or with private tennis lessons. Or pamper yourself with the Royal Spa treatment. Heal your soul and refresh your body with a variety of treatments. Ensure that this vacation keeps you relaxed and rejuvenated. And prepare your appetite for the best in dining luxury. With 9 world-class restaurants, including a large buffet and 12 themed bars, you have endless cuisine selections, and all in means they're all included in your stay. From the elegance of Zen Japanese cuisine to the full buffet at Gourmet Marché, you'll find something here for everyone. Unique to this resort is the 19th century themed agave. Experience authentic Mexican food prepared right next to the dining room. The decor is reminiscent of old colonial Mexico. The party runs through the night. The sports bar features a full menu and is happy to play your favorite game. Whatever sports event you're here to see, they'll turn it on for you. If you're searching for that perfect getaway in one of Mexico's most famed resort destinations, then Royalton Riviera Cancun is the resort for you each and every day.